So hello friends, welcome back to Cube and Google. So there are many instances like your mic doesn't work in Google Meet. So I have three ways on how to cure them. Like first way, just go on Google Meet. Like it's a menu when before like joining the Google Meet, and you can see here there are three lines which are moving up and down. This means your mic is working properly. If they're not working, just go and check your audio and video in the audio and video tab, and here in microphone option. There are five options in my laptop, but there may be three or four in yours. So like if you're on a headphone, you might select external or internal microphone, or you just want to talk from the laptop's microphone, you can click on here or here. So it's upon your like what you have. So in my case, I have headphones. I have taken internal microphone, and you can see here it's working properly. Like if it's not working properly, I would have chosen internal microphone. And in the case of internal microphone, my voice is lower. So I have chosen in external microphone, and I have done cross. So now it's working, and you can join Google Meet, and voice will be voice is going. In the second way on how to fix a mic, just go on search option and type microphone privacy settings. Like it's come here, privacy setting. Just click on open, and you can see here allow apps to access your microphone. Like it should be on for apps. If anybody is facing difficulty in apps, you can click on here, and if you scroll down, you can see allow desktop apps to access your microphone. So like Google Meet is a desktop app, so click on here. So Google Meet will get access, and you can check here. Like Google Chrome has access here, so Google Meet, if you're running it on Google Chrome, it might work. And like I use Brave also sometimes, so Brave also have access. So like if it's in the third way on how to fix a microphone, just go on search and write device manager, like it's clean. So just open it, and here on the top corner under desktop, so you can see audio inputs and outputs. Just click on the drop down arrow, and here like you have external microphone and headphones, and here's microphone too. So the microphone you're using, if you're using headphones, internal microphone, external microphone, it's up to you. So like I'm using external microphone, so you can just right click on it and click on update driver if it's not updated, and if it's updated, then click on uninstall device. And when you click on uninstall device, just restart your PC. So after restarting your PC, then the device will automatically installed, and your mic will work okay. And if you're using any other microphone, you can do the same to them also. So if this video helps you in fixing your microphone, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.